Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the word hazard. So basically most of the time, most of the students will be confused between the two words hazard and vulnerability guys. So in the next lecture, we'll be going through vulnerability. So for now, please concentrate so that you'll be getting a clear idea on hazard. Okay, so hazard is nothing but we will be saying, right, so something could happen, something can happen, right? So that could or may, so in simple words you can say may occur, is a nothing but a hazard guys. Okay, so once we are going through the definition, you'll be having a clear idea, and we'll be discussing about some different hazards, and then we'll be seeing the differences between a hazard and a disaster. Okay, so a dangerous phenomenon or substance or human activity or condition that may cause, please remember this guys, that may cause, we are not saying it will cause, that may cause a loss of life, injuries or other health impacts, property damage, loss of livelihood and services, social and economical disturbances, or any kind of environmental damage. That is nothing but hazard guys. So basically we will be saying that this place is hazardous, so basically that is in danger or that may cause some damage to you, right? Yes. So similarly, the best examples for these kind of hazards are nothing but nuclear. So there is a chance, right? So whenever there is any kind of nuclear activity going on, there is a high chance of there could be a dangerous thing that could happen. There could be a blast or anything, right? So in that way, similarly working with chemicals, or these are some man-made, and floods or anything could be natural. Okay, and etc. Okay, so hazards originated from the word HASARD, hazard. In old French, it is called as hazard, AZZAHR. Okay, so in Arabic, it is nothing but chance, guys, or luck. Okay, so may occur is nothing but it's a chance, right? So there is a chance for occurrence of rain. There is a chance like that they will be saying, right? So that is nothing but an hazard. Okay. So if you want some kind of examples, I think the image is clear, right? Or shall I zoom in? So just give me a second, I'll be zooming in it. Okay. So the common natural hazards are nothing but in biological, we are having epidemic, insectual infection, or animal Stamford. Okay. And similarly, geographical, we are having like surroundings, we are having earthquakes, volcanic eruption, or mass movement. Similarly, climatical, we are having extreme temperature, high heat wave, cold wave, droughts, fires like forest fire and all those things. Similarly, hydrological means water, floods, or wet movement or mass movement. Okay. Similarly, meteorological is nothing but something like stones and everything. So storms. So meteorological is nothing but with air, right? Okay. So storms, cyclone, hurricanes, tornadoes. Okay. Similarly, man-made are nothing but working with nuclears, chemicals, and all those things. Okay. Guys, we'll be discussing about each and everything, guys. So don't worry. In this chapter only, we'll be discussing some introduction about all the topics, and in the next lecture, in the next unit, we'll be going in detail of each and everything. Okay. So let us continue with the differences between hazard and disaster, guys. Hazard, a dangerous situation that poses a threat to human. So it is a threat, we are not saying it is going to happen, it may happen, right? Disaster, an event that completely causes damage to human lives. So here it occurred and it is creating damage to humans, so that is nothing but a disaster. Okay, so has less critical consequences. So hazard may or may not have high critical consequences, whereas disaster will have high consequences, guys. Similarly, hazard takes its full shape after a series of events which might take some time. So basically disaster will be happening suddenly, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about hazard, right? Okay, so in the next lecture we'll be going through vulnerability, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.